Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can send voice messages on WhatsApp. If you don't know how to send voice messages, then watch this video. If you know, then leave that video. Okay, so open your WhatsApp and go to your chat section where you want to send voice messages. So I'm going to tell you two best ways to send WhatsApp messages. So if you don't know how to type, so just click on that message button here and your keyboard is present. Okay, now our keyboard is present. You can click on long press on mic option here and you can say anything and it will automatically type. Okay, so if you don't know how to type, you can send type message as well. So second method is this: just long press on mic option and say whatever you want to say in your voice message, then leave that button and your voice message will be sent successfully. Okay, so best way guys, you can use this mic and use this icon to send your voice messages. Once again, just long press on your mic option and say whatever you want to say to that buddy, then leave that button and it will send automatically with your voice message. So very simple is this. So that this way you can send voice messages. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.